Hopefully that looks good on camera because I like it in person. I like it in real life. Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, back with a new video. Yeah! Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are not, if you are one of Mon Petites or you have been here before and you just with the kid and you want to see what I'm doing this week, welcome back. Hey girl, hey, how you doing? How your mama doing? Anyway, in today's video, we're going to be doing a dedicated high puff video. If you guys have seen my videos before, then you know I've done a high puff in a video before, but there's like 5 other styles, so there's a whole lot going on. But today's video is strictly for high puffs. 2 of them. I can't never just do one easy style in one video. It don't work like that. So I'm gonna be doing a high puff without bangs and a high puff with bangs. So if you wanna see how I do what I do and how you can do it too, then keep watching and I will catch you on the other side. Oh, wait. Before we go over there, are you subscribed? Please subscribe. I would like you to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at @callme_Trice. Same name across the board. Now we can go to the other side and catch the tutorial. Okay, so you know how like you wake up, and yes, I woke up like this because I'm a YouTuber, and you know what I'm saying, we wake up with our faces beat, like duh. And if y'all could see the fact that my inner corners of my lashes are not attached properly, it's because I woke up like this, right? Anyway, so your twist out is all lopsided, and you're just not ready to wash it yet. So today we are going to do a high puff video, and this one is a dedicated high puff video, but I wanted to show you guys 2 different high puffs because I don't always do the same high puff. So let's get right on into it. You're gonna grab your styling cream of choice. Today I'm using the Lotta Body, what is this? Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. They need to stop making these names so long because I can't say all this. But anyway, you're gonna take your styling cream, put some in your hand, just to make sure, you know what I'm saying, your hair is moisturized or whatever. Actually, I didn't even really need to put this stuff in there. You see my edges is still kind of done? Yes, girl. Because my edges live on fleek, all right? All right, so now that you've got your hair moisturized, the next thing you want to do is take all of your hair. And if you've seen my high puff video, this is basically the same thing. You're gonna take all of your hair, right? And start getting it to go towards the top of your head because that's where you want your hair to be at. And in this one, I'm not gonna be using a bunch of gel because honestly, I don't even feel like it. So we're just gonna grab all of our hair and start pulling it towards the top. And don't be trying to rip your hair out, just, you know what I'm saying, move it in the direction that you're trying to get it to go in so that it makes sense when you get it in that direction. And the back of your hair is not going to be perfect because we don't care. And this is why moisturizing your hair is important, making sure that it is in good moisture so that it's nice and pliable because you're moving your hair around. I'm gonna add a little bit more to the back, a little bit more, cause sis acting like she don't wanna move right. There we go. How you doing, girl? Yo, when I found out that girl was spelled G-W-O-R-L, that just made my whole day. Cause I'm like, yes, there's a spelling for it. Cause let me tell you something, any word that you can utter out your mouth has a spelling, has a correct spelling. And girl is not spelled G-I-R-L, okay? So now that we've got our hair tugged and pulled in the right direction, yeah. And I'm using my camera as my mirror, so let's hope this works out. Yeah. Now the string is important. The string is very important because this is not a ponytail. This is a puff. You know what I'm saying? And the difference between a puff and a ponytail is tight, and I don't fuck with them. So you need your string. This string is a do-rag string. Like it was on a, you know how do-rag has 2 strings? This was cut from a do-rag. It's a nylon string. It's going to slide. It's not going to hurt your head. It's not going to hurt your hair or any of that nonsense. Get you a string, right? And you're going to take the string, put it around the back of your head. And you're going to crisscross it in the front. Then you're going to start sliding it up. Make sure you hold on to the strings because you want it to pretty much remain tight as you're pushing it up. So you're pushing up the back of the string, tightening the front of the string. Push up the back, tighten the front. Push up the back, tighten the front. Oh shit, we got a puff! All right, now you're gonna take it, put it around the back. I guess I should turn around, huh? See, look, you're gonna pull it around the back and tie it in a bow, okay? I think I just got rug burn trying to spin around on this daggone carpet for y'all. All right, and now here comes the fun part. So you're just gonna fluff it out, fluff it on out, and get it going the direction that you want / needed to go. Any pieces that you don't like, just tuck them away. They're good, they're fine. And as with any style that I do, most styles that I do, fluffing and shaping is always key. All right, I think I like this shape. I think I like this shape. How y'all feel about this shape? Drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of the shape. I think this is a good shape. All right, so now that we got our shape shaped, let's zoom in. A little more. There we go. Hey, we up close and personal now. All right, so now it's time to do our edges. If you guys have not seen my edge tutorial, I do have one. I will link it right there. So I think I'm just gonna fast forward through this, but I just wanted you guys to see it. And voila, your puff is done. Lady. Cause my feeling. All right, so now that we've got the one puff done, I'm gonna show you how I do my second puff. And this is the puff with bangs. So we're gonna take this down. And the puff with bangs is the one that I do when I want to get fancy, you know what I'm saying? Like the puff, the regular puff, the puff with no bangs, it's just like, you know, I'm cute and all that, and it's a regular day, but like the puff with bangs is like, I'm trying to be seen. For me anyway. I mean, because you could do a fire ass puff and, you know, be seen. So you're going to take a scarf. This, I don't know where I got this scarf from, but a smaller scarf is usually better. Not one of the big ones that you use for a head wrap. Like you want kind of like a thinner scarf, not as wide, a little bit thinner. I'm gonna take this scarf. Actually, I'm gonna fluff my hair. This is usually how your hair starts off when you're getting ready to put it in a puff, right? But you just push it back instead of leaving your hair hanging down in front of your face. So today we're gonna leave our hair hanging down in front of our face because we are doing, what's that? Oh, because we're gonna have bangs. So it's basically gonna end up looking something like this. Something like this. This is the general idea of the style. Yeah, that's the general idea. So you're gonna take your scarf, your puff. You take your scarf, put it behind your head, and instead of moving your hair out of the way, you're just gonna tie it. And you could either tie it around the back and like completely get rid of it. Sometimes I like to just tie it in a bow in the front, which is what I think I'm going to do today. Try your best not to get any hair caught in the actual bow, because that's just never fun. But when I do the bow, I like to fluff it out and make it, you know, let her be seen because she's here. Now this isn't gonna feel like extra tight and secure because I don't like I don't like tight things on my head. I don't like all that. Like when you have dense hair, your hair does not like to be confined. So this is what we got going on. And now again, we just get back to the fluffing and shaping part. And when you need things to shrink, you just get some water. And she's gonna start shrinking on her own. And this is honestly just about playing with your hair now and seeing what shape you like, what style you like that's it. No pins, no combs, none of that. We're just gonna play with our hair and let her do what she does. Lady. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Oh, how you doing? Yeah, that's real cute. And this is how we pose. Ooh, yeah, smile for him. That's how we do it on them. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, but more importantly than that, I need you guys to please share this video. Share it anywhere and everywhere that you can. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr. Do people still use Tumblr? I never used it, but whatever. Anyway, share the video if you feel inclined to. I would love for you to do so. This week's chat with Bonjour Mon Petites, team volume or team definition? Drop it in the comments below and let me know. Also, do you prefer with bangs or without bangs? The puff. That's what I'm talking about. Puff with bangs, puff without bangs. Let me know in the comments below. Also, questions, concerns, and complaints, drop those below as well. I will get back to you. I'll do my absolute best. And I think that's all there is to say. And there is no more except, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.